Energize review. Hey guys and girls, this is Nagu from nagudharan.com. So in this video I am going to review that product is called Energize. So basically that Energize is the software. It's typically just another funnel builder, but it has a unique feature. You don't need to build the funnel on your own like that cloud funnels or click funnels, how they are providing that features to you. So instead of that, here you just fill a single page, filling the blanks text boxes with few texts. That's it. So once you've done this, your funnels will be ready and you can drive the free traffic from Klein Koski, who is the vendor of this product. He will drive you that free traffic which will provide you up to 100 clicks to 200 clicks to your funnels, right? So first of all, I would like to explain the what is funnel. So if someone is watching this video, if they doesn't know what is funnel, then quickly I will explain the funnel. Then after that I will walk through you the Energize member area, how it looks like and how you can use it, how you can create the funnel and how you can promote that funnel. Everything I will explain you in this video itself. And end of this video, I am also showing you some of the special bonuses what I have picked for this Energize when you are purchasing the Energize via my link, right? So now let's have a look at the what is funnel, right? So for that I just pull up my draw board, right? So here basically that funnel is nothing but is a group of pages which has the entry page and exit page. In between that entry and exit page you may have that n number of pages which will walk through the visitors of your funnel, and end of the day it will bring you more money from the visitors, right? So basically you can restrict the visitors only entered into your entry page. Okay, like so here this is the entry page, and sorry, this is the entry page, and this is the exit page, and in between we can have n number of bridge pages, right? Okay, so here that entry page, typically the entry page could be that either the sales page or squeeze page. So mostly that all the super affiliates are making their entry page as a squeeze page, right? That squeeze page is nothing but to collect the visitor's email ID and store it in your autoresponder by giving away some gifts to them, right? So this is the entry page. This should be a squeeze page, and this bridge page, after your visitors have given the email ID to get the gifts from you, then you can redirect them to the bridge page where you can offer, you can display or showcase your offers. Those offers can be your own product or it could be affiliate offers, that whatever offers you have you can show it. It can be a one offer or more number of offers you can show, and also you can instruct them on this page how the visitors can get your free gift, right? And the exit page should be a download page or download of your free gift, right? So basically in this page you need to provide the gift what you have promised on the squeeze page to your visitors when they are giving that email ID. So in this page you need to provide that gift as a download link, right? So here also you can promote your affiliate links or your own product on this page. So this is the whole funnel, this is the entire funnel, right? So we can call all these 3 pages is talk as the funnel. So in this funnel, basically that user visited to this entry page. After he entered this page, we can also showcase our product on this bridge page as well as on our exit page, so that more than one time we can showcase the offer to our visitors. So because of that, it will increase the chances of getting the money from the visitors for our bank, right? So this is the typical funnel, how it is working. So with that said, now I just go to the Energize dashboard, right? So this is the Energize dashboard. So once I logged into that Energize, so the dashboard will looks like this. This is a very neatly designed members area. In the left side you can see all of the navigation menus. In the right side it has some more information, and here the dashboard section, it's by default it's come like this, right? So and it has a tutorial. So if I click the tutorials, you can see that extensive tutorial video about that Energize, right? So it has that lots and lots of video to how to create, how to build the bonus builder, and this one, right, the delivery, social integrations, all the things it's explained here. So and these 2 is important, actually basically these 3 is important. So this is the main. So if I click that your campaigns, then I can able to see that list of funnels that I already created with this Energize tool. So you see here already this much funnels is already created, and each and every funnels you can do either delete this funnel or edit this funnel or view this funnel. And also in this same screen, if you want to create the new funnel, then you simply click the create new. So before I'm creating that new funnel, let's look at how the funnel pages will looks like. For that, I just click the publish button on this 12-minute affiliate funnel, right? So once I click it, this pop-up will open. So here you see this funnels contains 3 pages, as I explained before in the drop board. So it has a squeeze page, it has a webinar page. That webinar page is something we can offer our affiliate product. It's the bridge page, right? And the download page is the exit page, right? So and in the left side you can also see that various menus. It has that embed page, download page. So it means you can leave the hectic hosting process of these all 3 pages to Energize, or if you want, then you can download all the pages as an HTML and load it in your own server, right? So let I show you first how that squeeze page will looks like. So for that, I simply click that view, then it will load the squeeze page. Here you can see this is the squeeze page design which has created with Energize. But actually I didn't design anything. I simply just give some words on the text boxes what they are asking, right? I will show you that also. So this is the neatly designed squeeze pages. So if I click here to save your spots, in the pop-up it is asking that email ID. So once I enter this email ID, I can able to capture that email ID into my own autoresponders by integrating my autoresponders. Everything we will see, right? So and it also redirect the page directly. If the user don't want to give that email ID, we can easily redirect them to the bridge page automatically to show the affiliate offers, right? So here you can see this is the webinar video for the 12 minutes affiliate. So here basically that webinar video is very good for promoting that high ticket offer, right? So if you are promoting that high ticket offer which cost around $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, even $10,000, so you that cold traffic won't get good conversion for that high ticket product. So in this case we need to warm up that cold traffic uh, through webinars. We can warm up the cold traffic, so we you can get all of the high ticket offers, you can promote all of the high ticket offers through this Energize funnel builder software, right? So then that exit page pop-up is also coming. So now if I go here and click the download page URL, then I can able to see the download page is looks like this, right? Was the training. If we here also I can just send back them to the bridge page, or they can able to download my free gift here, right? So when they click to download, that free gift will be downloaded, right? Fine. So this is the funnel which has created through the Energize. Now I just click the edit of this funnel. You will be amazed how easy to create these 3 pages funnel, including that autoresponder integration and exit pop-up window and bonus selection. Everything will be handled in a single page with few text box fill option. So I simply click that edit button. For that you can see here, come on, yeah, it's come. So the general settings and squeeze page settings, then webinar page settings and integration of autoresponder. Only four sections we need to enter our text, right? So the general settings, that campaign title, it's just for our reference, and we can select here the theme of the thing. So by default it has that blue theme, so we can change it as a whatever theme we want. This is the inbuilt predefined themes, we can use it here. So the colors and the text color and the background color will be changed based on this, right? And this is the affiliate link of the product what we are promoting on the bridge page. That affiliate link we need to give it here, and this is the gift what we promised to our visitors on our squeeze page or entry page to providing as a giveaway. So right, so here you can see that gift is there. If I click this button, I can get over 2000, almost 3000 ebooks to give as a giveaway to them. So we can select here something is related to affiliate, and I simply click that affiliate marketing secret, affiliate 2000, affiliate PDF brand software. If I click them, so in this way I can select more bonus to give away to the end user who is giving their email ID to me, right? Also for squeeze page settings, I need to enter the headline and the bullet items, that 4 bullet items I need to enter, and on image I need to select, and the exit redirect. So this is after 80 seconds that this page will be redirect to the bridge page. Whether I need this settings or not, I can select it here. And the webinar page settings is just the webinar video URL and the timer, right? Then that integrations autoresponder setting, here we can integrate all of the popular autoresponder softwares through API, or if the list is doesn't show your favorite autoresponder, you simply use that raw HTML form and put your HTML autoresponders HTML code here. Sorry, put your autoresponder HTML code here to integrate your autoresponder. That's it. Once you've done this, you simply click the save changes and you are good to go, right? So this is how that Energize is working in terms of building the funnel. It's very easy. Within 5 minutes you can able to build the funnel. And if I go to the bonus campaign, you will also get some of the done for you funnel with the Energize, which will give you some more additional high ticket offers you can promote through this funnel builder software, right? And this affiliate link is just showing you that a list of affiliate links, list of affiliate products what this Energize is displaying here for these affiliate offers, how you can get the request for affiliate link. Everything can be explained here. And if you go to that free traffic, so that Glenn Koski is explained in how you can get the free traffic for your funnel, right? So he can drive up to 100 to 200 unique targeted visitors to your funnel. So but for that he has some restrictions. So that restriction is you cannot get the free traffic as soon as you purchase this software, because this software is having the 30 days money back guarantee. So it will lead some of the spammers will buy the software and get the free traffic and refund, raise the refund to them, then it will loss to the vendor. So this is not the right business to do that. So that they have some restriction. Once you buy, after your money back guarantee period is expired, at the time only you can purchase, you can get the free traffic from Glenn Koski, right? So that's it. So pretty much I have explained about all the features of this software. So with that said, now I just want to show you some of the custom cool bonuses what I am offering you for Energize when you are purchasing Energize through my own affiliate link, right? So I have written the very extensive review article about that Energize on my website along with the bonus details. So if you click the link that I have given down below this YouTube description box, it will take you to my review page of Energize that exactly look like this. So you can see here I have written that a huge article, that very long article about that Energize, how it is working, what are all the overview, what is my thoughts about the Energize, and who is vendor of this product and when it is going to be launched. Everything I have explained here and my recommendation. So in this, if I come down a little bit down on my page, you can find the bonuses what I'm going to offer for this Energize, right? So when I said my exclusive bonuses, all the bonuses what I'm offering here for Energize is exclusive, so it is not available in anywhere else. So with that said, you can feel free to shop around and find what other marketers are offering the bonuses for Energize, and you can realize my bonuses are unique. So when you realize my bonuses are unique, you can come back to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below this video and come to my bonus page and click this buy Energize and grab my bonuses button. It will take you to the sales page of Energize and where you can purchase the Energize. Then you will get all of the custom cool bonuses what I have mentioned in this page will be delivered to you automatically through the Warrior Plus purchase receipt history page, right? So let's have a look at what are all the bonuses I'm offering you, right? My bonus number 1 is the software, the headline creator that improves Energize conversion, right? So as you see here in the campaign section, when I edit the one of the campaign, you can realize you need to provide the heading for your squeeze page, the headline. So the headline will be the key here to get the lot of conversion on the squeeze page. So this particular software will provide you to get the high conversion ratio by creating that very good headline. This software will help you to create the eye-catching headline for the Energize, right? And the drive penny click traffic to Energize. So apart from that Glenn Koski's the free traffic, it is the one time, right? So you cannot get that every time the free traffic clicks from Glencoski. So then once you avail that feature, that next thing is to drive the traffic to your funnel is it's your own responsibility, right? So for that you can drive the traffic from social media by using that some free traffic methods, but it will take a long time. So in this case you need to use the some sort of paid traffics, right? So this particular bonus will teach you how you can get the paid traffics for a pennies, right? So you can get that bonus here. And bonus number 3 for Energize is the software for backlink creator. This backlink creator will helps you to get the higher ranking on the Google organic search engines, right? And the case study for $400 a day with 5 minutes of work is you will get as a bonus number 4. And my bonus number 5 is the case study is the $255 by way of free Facebook visitors, right? And my bonus number 6 is the Yan 1K per month employing with the some weird odd trick. So you can learn that trick and you can implement this to earn $1,000 per month on your own, right? And if you are act now by clicking this buy Energize and grab my bonus button, you will also get the below bonuses. So this is the bonus number 1 for that live demo, the way I discovered a long tail keywords using totally free resources, and my own YouTube ranking course and my own video course will teach you to get $0 to $100 a day with affiliate marketing, right? And my bonus number 4 is a hack to get unique articles without writing or outsourcing for your website. And my bonus number 5 is the access the 15K PLR post in more than 72 niches. It's a very huge article bundle I am providing you when you are purchasing that Energize, right? So with that said, let's have a look at the pricing of Energize. So for that I little bit scroll up on my bonus page. So this is the Energize pricing. So that front end cost basically normally it would be a $27, but as an yearly bad you can get $17 when it is launched. And OTO 1 is the unlimited for $67 and the downsell as a $47. The OTO 2 is the $100 done for you for $97 and the downsell $67, and unlimited traffic for $97 and $67 as a downsell. And OTO 4 is automation $67, $47. OTO 5 is the ATM edition for $67, $37, and OTO 6 is the license rights for $197 as a downsell. You can get it as $97, right? So what it means, the downsell is nothing but when the OTO pages is showing and climbing, you need to pay that $67. You can find one small hyperlink in the down to the page like no or heck no kind of thing, right? So when you click that button, then you can immediately see this $47 price for the same OTO, right? So if you avoid when they are showing $67 and clicking the no button in the bottom of the page, then you can get the same OTO for $47. This is my pro tip, you can catch it to get the additional discounts on the upgrades. Okay guys, so I hope I have explained everything about that Energize. So and also I believe you like that Energize software. It will reduce the funnel building time and you can use that time to get more number of leads, right? So with that said, I am Nahu signing off. If you are watching this video very first time and if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please feel free to click the red subscribe button down below this video and make sure you have switched on the notification so that every time I go live or I uploaded a video, you will get a notification, right? So if you are having any query specific to this Energize or in your business, feel free to raise the comment down below this video and in the YouTube comment section. I would love to help you. Bye bye.